Hello students, welcome to your GK class. Today we are going to solve few exercises. First of all, let's solve this exercise which is about just around you. There are few places present in our city, in every city where people visit for a particular reason. Okay, so let's find out. Also called lock-up criminals are kept here. So where criminals are kept? Criminals are kept in prison. So you will write here prison, Prison. Next, a place where you would go to see a cricket match. Where do we visit to see a cricket match? Stadium. Okay, Stadium. Stadium. We visit stadium to watch a cricket match. A building where different movies are shown at the same time. So where the place where different movies are played at same time? Multiplex. Multiplex, like we have PVS Mall. Okay, in PVS Mall, in Inox Theatre there are many screens. Okay, and different movies used to play there. Like that, so that is a multiplex. Next, a place where wild animals are kept so that people can see them. So where the wild animals are kept, where do we visit to see the wild animals? Zoo. Okay, zoo. Next, a place where people do physical exercise using different machines. So where do people visit to do exercise with different machines? Gym. We call it gym. The full name is gymnasium. Okay. Next, a place where a judge gives judgment on legal cases. Judge, where you see judge and there are advocates who wear black coats. Okay. So where do we see judges and where do they give judgments on legal cases? Court. Okay. At court. Next, a main road that connects one city to another. So the road which connects one city to another is called highway. Okay, highway. Next, a place where you can give your blood samples for testing. Where do we give our blood samples for testing? Pathology. That lab is known as pathology. Okay. Next, air and water. This exercise is about the importance of air and water. So let's find out. Look at the picture below and circle those activities which require air. So what are the activities which require air? See, the girl is blowing bubbles. We can blow bubbles only in the presence of air. Okay, our clothes or anything flew only because of the air. See, if I have put a paper weight, if I will remove the paper weights, you will see that the page will start flowing. Okay, see. Okay, so this is all happening because of the presence of air. Okay, even the fan is moving on electricity, but who is helping it to give us comfort? Air. Okay, so and with the help of air only we can fly kites, we can the ball bounce back, we can blow horns. Okay, so do the next exercise. Let's do the next exercise. Air is a mixture of color. Here what you have to do, that there are some words wrongly filled in the blanks. We have to find out the correct answer from this word puzzle, and in place of these words we have to fill the correct word. Okay, the correct answer. Air is a mixture of color? No, air is a mixture of gases. Okay, so where the gases is written? It is here. Next, moisture in the air is called water bubbles. Moisture in the air is called water bubbles? No, it is called vapor. Okay, it is known as vapor. You know, the air has moisture. When we feel wet when things get wet, the things which are kept open like snacks, okay, or any clothes mostly during the winters or in the when the weather is about of raining season, when the weather is of raining, so then also we feel na there is very moisture in the air is feeling very wet, okay, very cool. So it happens because the air has water vapor in it, okay, that is why the air has moisture. Okay, so find out vapor is here. Next, air also contains particles of silver. Does air contain silver particles, which is not good for the skin? No, air has dust particles, dust, dust, dust. Okay, you will find out this dust word in the word puzzle. We should breathe in dirty air. We should breathe in dirty air. No, we should breathe in fresh air. Fresh, okay? Fresh. Next, moving air is called river. Moving air is called river? No, it's called wind, okay? So that's all about this exercise. Next page is about the importance of water. In this picture, circle the activities which need water. So what are the activities which require water? Watering the crops, bathing, drinking, washing, okay, and there are many more activities which are done with the use of water. So next is color the correct droplet to answer the following questions. So we have to color, but here we will circle, okay. Which is the most important source of water? Rain or river? Rain, okay, so circle rain. You know, you must have heard the news that when it doesn't rain, so the farmers complain that their crops are getting damaged, and when there is no rain, then the weather becomes so hot, okay. So rain is and rain is only responsible to fill the rivers and oceans, okay. When water freezes, when water gets freeze, it turns into ice. When we keep water trays in the freezer, after some time when you take it out, so you see water only or you find ice. The water changes into ice when we freeze it. How can we kill germs from water? By smelling or by boiling? By boiling, okay. Next, for which of these activities do you need water? We need water for bathing or for reading? For bathing, okay. I am going to circle these droplets, but you can color them with blue color. When water is boiled, it turns into steam or ice? Steam, okay. So circle steam. So that's all about this exercise, air and water. The next exercise is about inside me. Here you will find out the function of the organs which are inside our body, okay, like brain, lungs, heart, kidney, okay. So let's find out. The first one is, I am the control center of your body. I help you to think. So which of our organ help us to think? Brain, okay. This is the picture of brain. I am like two bags in your chest. I help you to breathe. So which of our organ help us to breathe? Lungs. I pump blood to all parts of your body. I work faster when you run or exercise. So which organ starts pumping, or when we do some physical activity, then we start taking breath faster, na? So which organ starts pumping very fast or beats in our body? Heart, okay. All food that you eat comes to me, it is digested here. So in which organ our food gets digested? Stomach. I give shape to your body. I am hard and 2206 in number. So what is there in our body which is 206 in numbers and which give shapes to our body? See, our hands are straight, our legs are straight, we can stand, okay, or our back is straight. So what helps our body to be straight? Bones, okay, and there are 206 bones in our body. 206. I give you power and help you to move. So what helps us to move? We move, our body parts can move with the help of muscles, okay. So that's all about today's exercise.